Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So for this one, we have a minus b. So we want to create about a square minus b square to cancel about h in here. To do about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we have 4 minus 4 plus h. So 4 minus 4, we cancel negative with h. We have negative h. H and h we simplify. Now we can put number 0 gone here and here. And now we can find the final answer. We have negative number 1 over 36. This is the end. Thank you for watching.